System is too slow today. Okay, can we do one thing otherwise? Although, as I told you, I have the hard stop in another 10 minutes, so we will not be able to complete this entire thing. Actually, I was planning tomorrow we will be having only common session. So can we do one thing? After our common session, can we spend around 1 hour extra to complete this credit management part tomorrow itself?
Yeah, I am okay with it. By what time is
Yeah,
our
I'm too.
common
Yeah,
session?
okay, Vikram.
Our normal time. So we will keep it our normal time, which is 10:30. So we will. I'm planning to keep this common session at 8:30 tomorrow. Once we complete that, within we will take just 10-15 minutes of break, and then we'll continue with this credit management part.
Understood.
Okay. So in the meantime, what I'll do is I will send you. Yeah. In the meantime, I'll send you the PPT that I'm talking about. Just go through that PPT. That will definitely help you to understand this configurations and all other things in detail. Okay. So before coming to the session, just go through that PPT. It will definitely help you understand all these concepts in detail.
Uh,
Okay.
I have one small question.
Okay.
You have mailed some documents like PDFs.
Uh-huh.
Uh, like in the headings is like bit confusing. The file naming, like in what way we need to go through that? If you can help us.
Okay. Just
So the best
give me a minute.
practices,
Or sorry, are you talking
best
about the
practices
best
you are talking
practices?
about.
Yes. Like
Okay,
each one
Nagesh.
is
No,
like
no worries.
test
That I'll
document sort of
explain
thing.
you. Yes. Nagesh, I will explain you that. I think I already explained you previously. I told you that you can go to the rapid.sap.com and there you will be able to see the test scripts for different type of transactions that you are going to do in SD module, right? So
Yeah.
these documents are nothing but the test scripts. So the names which are provided, those are the standard names which are provided by SAP. Okay, and that is the reason I have not changed it because you need to be comfortable with the 3-digit code also. Okay, but what I am also planning to do, maybe what I'll do is uh, I will add the meaningful description to those files. Okay, that will help you to understand which file is related to which particular topic.
Okay. Thank
Did it
you.
help?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So,
now, like when it's
So
coming to
Vikram,
certification,
Sorry, yeah, Nagesh. What about
uh,
certification?
coming to certification, like you mentioned, like you'll provide us some sample questions or like scenarios
Yes,
so that
but that's
it will be
later
easy.
on. If you complete
Okay.
all the
Okay.
topics, then we will talk
Okay.
about how to prepare for the certification exam.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll help you out. No need to worry. I'll also help you out in how to appear in the certification exam, how to fill the form, and all those things.
Right. Thank you.
hello Vikram.
Yes, Akshay.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, Akshay.
Uh, can can you allow us to download these documents because somewhere I need those and I'm not able to even copy paste some of the information from them. So is it possible for
Akshay,
you
that would
to?
be difficult because yeah, Akshay, that would be difficult because those are very strict documents and SAP is not allowing to download without S user ID and password. So just to help you out, I provided to you. But otherwise, downloading and
Hmm.
all, no, it will be difficult to give
See, currently
because
I'm working on a project where I need to configure my own role. So based on that, so I was requiring those.
Yeah.
Akshay,
I
Hello.
what you
think you
can do
can
is
create
you
your
can
S user ID, right?
So
exactly not
AS
S user
user
ID.
ID. Hmm.
See, Akshay, even if you create
Uh,
your S user ID, if it's not linked to the project, it may not allow you to download. But you can always ask your manager that these are the documents available and please provide me the necessary S user ID. See, why I'm telling that is in those documents, it may be like noted down who has downloaded. So if I give it to you and you will give
oh,
it to
okay.
someone else, what will happen is
No, no, no.
ultimately it will think that
Got
I'm
it. Good, good.
that is the problem.
Hmm.
right? That is the reason I'm saying just go with the flow. So if that is necessary document for you, definitely you can ask your manager that this is very important. For that, I need the S user ID assigned to my project. It is not a big deal. You will be
Correct.
able to create it.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So the procedure for creating a user ID now it's too complicated in our way. That's why we have to take so much approvals and everything. So we tried that. It's not like we didn't try. We tried, but we have to sign bond for 6 months and again everything like that.
No, S user ID is not that one. It is not for the certification actually. When I say S
Yes,
user ID,
exactly. I know, but last time someone did ask for S user ID, so it's like you have to go through the process itself total. In that includes bond of 6 months. So it's like
oh,
you are preparing for exam. So you have then only you will get S user ID and access and everything, and you have to in 6 months you have to sit for an exam. So that's the process.
that is not the actual process. Okay, let me try actually. I will definitely try and come back to you. Give me some other.
It's our company's process. It's not like SAP's process.
Right, right, right.
Mm.
No problem. Let me try.
It's
How can
like
I help you out?
okay, okay,
Thank you.
Sir, actually, I have a question, but we will talk later because you have to attend the 9:30. Okay, no.
No, no,
Next
I have two
session,
three
I will.
minutes. Go ahead, Tushar.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have a issue in my sales order. Can you go for that particular? Or I will talk. We will talk in another session if it is possible.
Yeah, which is that sales order?
So 787.
787. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Actually, just go in a line item schedule line because whenever you will means whenever your sales order coming, so it will be coming two line schedule line. So can you go in line item and go to the schedule?
Okay. No, there is a reason. So let me show you what exactly. So schedule lines.
Yes. Yeah.
No,
Here.
see, the reason why it is showing two lines to me, I am taking my sessions normally on Saturday,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And we
Okay.
are taking
Okay.
session to deliver the material on the Saturday. So system is saying Saturday being the holiday, right? So the next date on which
Okay.
we can deliver the material is on Monday. That is the reason it is showing you
Okay.
7th and then 9th, but you are working on the
Okay.
weekdays, and that is the
Yes.
reason system
Yes.
is able to confirm the quantity on that day itself.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Actually, I thought I am doing something wrong. That's why.
No, no, no. Anyways, this topic, as I told you, now once we complete the credit management, our next topic is this availability check. How system determines this date. Okay, what is the ATP? What is advanced ATP? Those are the topics that we are going to discuss in our next.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Sir.
Okay, thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow again. Bye.
And tomorrow it will be at 8:30, right? As you said, the
Tomorrow
common
first will be
session.
8:30, and then we will continue with our SD topic.
Right. Thank you.
okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.